It's about division of
Fractions.
Okay. So today I will teach you 2 ways in division of fractions. So the first one is through cross multiplication. Okay, everybody is on the board. Okay. So 3 times 5 equals 15. 1 times 7? 7. So 15 over 7 is an
Improper fraction.
It's an improper
Fraction.
So we will change this into mixed
Number.
Okay. So how many 15 how many 7 are there in 15? 2. 2 times 7?
14.
Okay, 14 minus
1.
So this
It
will
becomes
be
2.
2. Ang aton nga quotient is the whole
Number.
The remainder will be the numerator and then copy the
Denominator.
So our answer is 2 and 1. Next. Another 14 over 15 is an
Improper
fraction. So how many 15 are there in 16?
1.
16 minus 15.
1.
And then copy the
Denominator.
next. 6 times 3 equals 18. 9 times 2 18. So 18 over 18 is equals to
1.
because 18 divided by 18 is equals to
1.
Okay, understood? Intindi?